Whoiskingshawn is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's Whoiskingshawn, and we're back again with another banger. I got a quick video for y'all today, highly requested from a couple subscribers. I will have to say, people asking me, is net 30 accounts still important to use in 2025? Now, any account that can report to your business side is excellent, I will have to say. Now, if I stripped everything away from me on my business side, take all my scores away, business credit cards, gas cards, net 30s, trade lines, whatever it may be, and I had to start over in 2025, I personally would not use net 30 accounts. That's just me, because I'm more advanced. I understand what can I use. I know how to skip the line. I know certain cards I can use. It's just a whole different game once you start learning about the business side. So let's start over here now. Quill, Quill is a good company if you're trying to build up your account just to add some other primary accounts on your business side. You could get ahead and get it. But again, for me in 2025, I would never chase net 30s. Granger's another one. Again, Uline's another one. These are all great accounts that you could use as of net 30s, but it's some other ones. I got a whole list. Go back on my old videos. I'm showing you what other net 30s besides that to use, so you can start increasing your business scores, right? Now, if I had to start over today, I will go out the gate. I will add ROADFLEX. ROADFLEX, again, is a business gas card that you could get with no PG, people. No PG. You see how we skipping lines right now? No PG, and it's a Visa logo. Now, can I walk up into the nearest clothing store, the nearest restaurant, and use this? No. But you could use the gas in your area. Once you download the app, it'll tell you all the different gas stations you could be able to use. If you want to get a tune-up, it'll show you like Pep Boys, all these different garages and different places you could go get tune-ups in. If you're looking for some tires from Tire King and a bunch of other places in your area as well, you could be able to use this Visa gas card at those locations, which is really good. ROADFLEX, again, reports to Experian Business, no credit check, very easy. Had this card and did a full breakdown on this a couple years ago. So I will go out the gate right now with ROADFLEX and add that right on. Next, I will do ATOB business gas card. Again, you could get this card right here with absolutely no credit check, people. All you have to do is connect your business checking account with Plaid. They'll go in there, they'll see what you got going on, what kind of money you bringing in, what kind of money you are dishing out monthly, and they will give you approval off of that. No credit check, you don't have to worry about that. Now, when I got ATOB, it was only reporting to one credit bureau at the time. Right now, the good thing, they moved up, they're reporting to Experian Business, and they're reporting to Dun & Bradstreet, which is really good. This is another one, man. These is easy hacks that you can use in 2025 to start adding some nice, primary accounts on your business profile and start increasing that credit score, right? Now, I will go to the next one. Number 3, MUDFLAP. MUDFLAP, again, Visa logo. You'll be able to go ahead, gas up whatever's on the list near you. No matter what location you're, it doesn't matter if you're traveling, you just go right on your app. It'll show you 7-Eleven, Hess, it'll show you all the different gas stations you'll be able to use. You'll be able to walk in there, pay for your, gas, diesel, whatever it may be at the time. And you can still purchase things in there. You want to get some chips, sandwich, food, whatever, anything that you're getting at that gas station, you'll be able to use because it has a Visa logo. Again, if you're looking to get a car tune-up, you're trying to get oil change, you're kind of get new tires as well, you'll be able to use with this credit card. So you got a double benefit if you're looking into getting these credit cards, right? And the thing about it, all 3 of them, you're getting them with no credit check. So why would I need to be chasing net 30 accounts like Quill, Granger, and Uline? It makes no sense. You're just wasting time where you could just go right here, get these gas cards and start building your business credit report and making it look good, and start increasing them scores, man. So I wanted to bring this video to you because I noticed a lot of people are sending me messages about if I wanted to start over 2025, what is the fastest way? We in the world right now that everybody wants things to move fast, and I'll tell you, just like personal credit, You can build your personal credit within 90 days. You can have over 720 credit score, easy. When it comes to business credit, you gotta build it the proper way, people. I want you to understand that, because a lot of times people just think that I'm gonna go here, create a LLC, S Corp, C Corp, whatever you're gonna do, get my EIN number and start adding some net 30s. Business credit score is gonna start increasing automatically, and it don't work like that, people. Again, if you want to get in depth, if you want to work with me one-on-one, I can help you build that business credit profile the proper way and the right way. And just to give you a heads up, in 2026, I will actually be dropping, on my website, you could go at whoiskingshawn.com. You could get your free credit report ebook with all the letters in it that you need to fix your credit. It's no excuse. If you've been rocking my channel, you've been following my channel, it's no reason. You go over there, download the ebook. It's for free, people. Fix your credit. Stop being lazy. You could go on my website and get your free business credit builder. Again, for free, people. And if you want to lock in, book that call with me and I can help you get to that next level. But in 2026, I will be dropping a physical book that I'll be selling on my website, and I will be selling on Amazon and stuff like that. That will guide you to get to that next level. It's going to get more in depth with more information. But again, if you're starting out, you want to increase those scores on the personal and the business, go right over to my website, download that free ebooks. It's no excuse, no charge, for free for you. So again, if you want to get to that next level and you want to win, you want to stop making excuses, people. I want to see you win. I'm giving you the information for the win, but it's up to you to actually do the work, people. Again, go over to that website, download your free ebook, man. I'm here. I want to see you win. Like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.